In this video, I'm going to be making these spoons. And these spoons were made only using a table saw. But to do that, you first have to build a jig. So I'll show you how to make the jig, and then I'll show you how it works. So I'm just putting in these two guides, and I'll just use screws instead of glue in case I have to move them later. This piece here will fit on the back, and I'm just going to raise it up a bit, and it'll be part of a guide. This piece will slide back and forth, and I'll just mark it and cut it on the bandsaw. Now these two pieces can be screwed together. Here I'm just adding this little triangle block, attaching it to this block to give it some more support. This piece I'm going to add, and it'll sit on the top, and I'll just attach it with two dowels. I have two dowels put in here, and these two holes, it'll line up. Now I can raise the blade on the saw. Here I have all the pieces of the jig. So this block will slide back and forth, and these are two guides that can be moved over. And when you move them over, then you can fit this piece in here and swivel it to make the spoon. The next piece would be this one. It slides along, and that'll cut the cove. And the last piece is this one, and it'll carve the spoon. So those are all the pieces. Now I'll show you how it works. So a little bit of hand sanding and you got yourself some nice spoons. And they're all made on the table saw. So anytime I need to whip up a batch, it's easy enough to pull out this jig and make as many as I want. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you guys soon.